Hey friends, it's 14th day of our 30-day Craving Busting Adventure. If you tried tapping the EFT Emotional Freedom Technique in the past and it didn't work for you, there's a good reason why. And if you would like to give it another try, then there are a few things that might help you. If you never tried EFT before, then you can try it out with this video. It's quite straightforward technique, and it's based on energetical meridians that were discovered by Chinese medicine and then explored by modern psychologists. And by tapping certain points on our face and body, we activate these energetical pathways. We make energy go through them much more powerfully than usual. And if at the same time we activate the emotion that is connected to some of our behaviors or some of our challenges in life, then we're pulling up on the surface this stagnant energy. And this tapping, by activating this powerful flow of energy, dissolves or breaks these emotional and energetical blocks that we have inside that cause us to repeatedly feel these emotions and repeat these unhealthy habits that we want to get rid of. And tapping is really perfect for cravings, as long as your cravings are mostly coming from emotions. If you have cravings and you're starving your body from nutrients or calories or carbohydrates, then it might not be enough to just do tapping and release the emotions. And at the same time, if the reason why you're not nourishing your body properly, besides knowledge of course, which I'm trying to give you here, if you have emotional reason to not to nourish yourself, like you're afraid to nourish your body because of the past experiences or limiting beliefs, then the tapping will help to dissolve these emotions. So why for some people tapping doesn't work? There might be several reasons, and I think the biggest one is that we don't allow ourselves to feel this emotion, to really pull it up on the surface. We feel it anyway when we are getting the craving, and our first reaction is to numb it, to suppress it. And we're constantly suppressing and pressing this energy down and down and down, and thinking that we don't want to feel it. In reality, we feel it anyway. It's just suppressed, which means that it's even more stagnant, hurting us even more. So it might be counterintuitive. And at the same time, if we allow ourselves to feel this emotional pain, maybe even, or discomfort, then pulling it out and at the right time, when we do this tapping, when we do some of these techniques, any of the techniques, or just when you're ready to breathe through it, when you're in a calm state of mind, if you pull this out, of course, if you're in a calm state of mind and you pull out this emotion, you won't be in a calm state. But if you're in a safe space and you pull out and you really feel it, you allow yourself to feel this frustration or anxiety or fear, whatever it is for you, and then you tap, you make the energy basically flush it out. You're like clearing it out, like with a hose. Like you can imagine that you have pipes that have all these stuck energies in them, and then you're pushing this powerful flow of water through them. This is how I see it. I don't know how accurate it is, but I think that this visual can help you subconsciously to allow yourself to clear out these emotions. So if you're curious, if you're ready, we can try the tapping together. I will use like very, very basic wording for today, and then some other day we can experiment some more, especially if you share your particular situation, your emotions, what you experience. And then we can put together a video that will help you more and use some of these phrases and some of these emotions that you're experiencing. first thing that we will do is we will activate this karate chopping karate chop point. It's right here on the side of your hand. You can use either hand. It doesn't really matter that much which one feels better for you. And what we say is we say, I fully and completely love and accept myself. And allow yourself to really feel it. Maybe you'll have some tears with that. I sure had in the beginning when I started doing that. And it's a good thing to have these tears of relief. I fully and completely love and accept myself. And now we can start tapping the point on our face and saying the phrases that can be anything that you feel, anything that helps you to feel this emotion or this craving that you want to overcome. Anything that you think about it. It doesn't have to be positive. It's not about being positive now. It's about feeling what you feel and allow yourself to feel it. So the first point is on the inner part of the eyebrow. It can be on either side. And you can say, oh, this craving, this craving. The next spot is right next to the eye on the outside. This craving really frustrates me. The next point is under the eye. I feel so anxious because of this craving. And then under your nose, I crave it so bad it hurts. And then next on your chin, in the middle of your chin, I feel so uncomfortable because of this craving. And then next on the collarbone, I wish I could just forget about this craving. And the next spot is on the level of your nipple, right here, right on the side of your body. I feel really frustrated right now. And the last spot is on the top of the head. All of this tapping is too complicated. I just want to give in and have what I want. So on the first round, you mostly say all these negative thoughts that you have in your mind, and you pull out these negative emotions. And this tapping action is supposed to start breaking it down. Then on the next round, you can try to use more positive phrases that will help you to pull out the positive energy that will start washing out this negativity. I'm so ready to break free from this craving. I'm ready to let go of these negative emotions. I'm happy to break free from these emotional blocks. It feels so good to be free from the old negative emotions. I'm ready to break free like a butterfly. I'm ready to experience freedom. I'm enjoying healthy foods and I don't need this unhealthy food. I'm so happy to be nourishing my body with healthy foods and break free from unhealthy cravings. And then take a deep breath. And you probably noticed that I was closing my eyes when I was doing it because it helps to focus on your feelings. If you prefer to have your eyes open, that's also fine. So I hope this little session gave you some idea and inspiration to do some more tapping on your own. You can watch hundreds of videos on YouTube for tapping. And if you still feel frustrated with tapping, you feel that it doesn't work for you and something else helps you better, then no worries, you can just try something else. The main thing for you is to find something that works for you. And one of the amazing techniques that I introduced to you yesterday is mind shifting. It's really powerful and maybe for some of you it might work better. So I invite you Every Sunday you can try one class for free. You can subscribe in a link in the comments below and try it out. It's a group class where I guide you through mind-shifting session where we actually will take one of your cravings and work through it. We're going to release it with very simple questions. There's no hypnosis or nothing like that. You will just do it all yourself. I will be just guiding the whole group all together. And it's not a sales presentation. I'm not going to be selling anything there. I'm just inviting you to try out this class, and if you like it, you can start joining us on a regular basis if you wish. And we'll also have online support group that is off Facebook. So if you're curious, sign up in the description below. And if you're new to my channel and looking forward for more videos of this 30-day craving busting adventure, then make sure to subscribe to my channel so we can break free from these pesky cravings together. And I'm so excited to see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye!